crazy hair going on. Guys, Monday morning, beautiful out. I'm stoked on the day. We're watching the sunrise. We got the moon right there. The moon and the sun are out to play, man. That's why I like coming out early in the morning, get in my thoughts, stay on my grind. Nothing can stop me. Feel good, guys. It's a new week, new opportunities, new goals. Tomorrow's my birthday. I turn 24. Not a big birthday guy. It's just a normal day of working, but we are watching the sunrise right now and it is beautiful. I'm gonna keep enjoying these vibes. Why not? Why not? It's mornings like these, just getting out here, breathing that air. Never start your day with your phone. Start it with the sun, gazing right at it, blinding yourself. Don't do that. I'm doing it right now, but we gotta be the best versions of ourselves. We're gonna put down our phones. We're gonna focus on the task at hand, and we're gonna just enjoy what Mother Nature has to offer. I'm gonna keep walking it and talking to myself because I love it. You know what, guys? I got in the car, clouds started to roll over a bit, and I thought to myself, I'm gonna go in the ocean. The weather's getting nicer out, so what are we gonna do? We're gonna hop in that ocean, feel good, and then we're off to the gym. I'm gonna go get a breathwork session in. I just felt nature calling me, so I'm gonna get out there, breathe, and jump in the water. So, let's go. That's the breathwork spot. We're gonna have to be very precise with how we're getting onto these stairs, so let's time this nice. All right, guys, here is the meditation spot. This is like the Zen zone right here, so just got all of that. Gonna hit that meditation, drop in, start the day right. That felt incredible. Yes, 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 yes. Enjoy your time, all right? We'll see you later. We just had a little seal on the beach. He was talking to me. We were just chatting it up. It was kind of cool, but I'm gonna go in the water now. Incredible. I feel amazing. I just ran back and forth. The weather's getting warmer out here. All right, time for the gym. Gym session has started. We're getting right into it. Gym session is done. Sweat equity, we're always getting it done. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Does not matter the day. We're in here. So, gonna get back. We're gonna start up the day, start up work. Let's go. Well, yes, I look a little bit different. We got a haircut. So now we are back getting ready to work, but you know what? I had to pour up some AG1. I'm not drinking this stuff as much, but there's some good nutrients, so why not? That being said, start work. All right, guys, it is a new day. We love it. So, not gonna be filming too much today because it is just gonna be on the computer, getting it done, meetings, all that good stuff. But I wanted to talk about something with you guys. Now, this is just something I learned, some insight to give you in case you're on the journey of building your own brand, building your own business, whatever it is, has to do with meetings. So had an amazing opportunity to hop on a call with someone that I personally look up to. The call was about potentially working with each other, creating content. So to make it short, at the end of the call, when going over what my pricing structure is, I ended up asking this person, hey, so what would your budget look like for this kind of work? And after the call, during a mentoring session, I realized that I probably shouldn't be asking that question. And it was a big eye-opener for me because while I am learning, I need to get these things down, especially with me asking certain kind of questions. Moral of the story is, try not to ask what the other party's budget is. If it is your service that you're providing, make sure to have a pricing structure prepared. I learned a lesson that's gonna stick with me for the rest of my life. On another note, it's easy to just try and forget about those situations and almost cringe a little bit after doing something that you wish you didn't do. But at the same time, if you can really reflect on that and look back, well, I didn't do that right, here's how I can fix it. That's the best way to go about things. Because if you're not evaluating what happened and you're not really rewinding in your mind what happened, how do you expect to get better? So that's a big lesson that I've learned as well. Whoa. All right, guys. Now I'm going to head to the beach. So we're gonna get that going. I'm also gonna say hello to my grandparents, my Yaya and Papu, some of the most amazing people in my life. Hi, Papu.
Oh, look at that haircut! Oh my goodness! Oh, my boy. I don't think Father Tom.
Yeah. So like, that's.
Oh my God! Look
That's what
at
you're
oh,
picking up.
wow! Look at it! Wow! So you can record.
Papu's behind the camera.
Oh yeah! Oh wow!
It's automatic.
Oh my! Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Oh wow!
And then you can like flip it around. You can film yourself.
Oh really?
That's what I do.
Oh my! That's how you do it.
Yeah, like that.
Oh yeah, just like that.
Try it out. Try vlogging.
Wow! Yeah. No kidding. Yeah.
It's a little bit of a foggy one this evening. Did some breath work on the beach. Nothing better, man. Incredible. How beautiful.
We'll see you later.
All right, we are in a different location. Guys, that is the end of the video. Cape Cod had a beautiful, beautiful week. Now we're ending it here. I appreciate you watching. Make sure to follow along on the journey and I will see you in the next video. Like I said, I'm in a different location at the Airbnb, but that'll be in the next video. So I'll see you guys then.